Hey family, how are you? So today we have a wig tutorial by Xrsbeauty Hair. I love the goodies, so you know that's the first thing we're going to take a look at. This is my first time working with this hair company. I'm liking so far. They sent some goods. So today we're going to be trying something very new, very different. This is absolutely new. It's called clear lace, y'all. So I want to just show y'all the difference with this clear lace. This is regular transparent lace. This is the regular brown lace we usually get, and this is the new clear lace that Xrsbeauty sent me. I just want to put that against my skin so you can see the difference. They was on to something. Look how it looks when we get to this clear lace. You can't find it. It's invisible. It's not there. They was on to something with this, honey. Do you see that? Do you see how that flawlessly blends? So y'all know I'm super excited to install this unit. What blew me back besides the lace was this hairline, honey. I know a lot of companies say they pre-pluck, but honey, they meant it. They meant it. And of course, inside the unit, it came with 2 combs on the side, one in the nape and one in the back. It also came with a ready sewn in adjustable strap. Come on now. Come through. This lace, I can't get over it. It is beautiful. Look at the blend though. The way this is going to blend. Let's talk about how full this wig is. It is so thick. Honestly, it was so thick I thought it was going to shed. So, you know, I had to do my shedding test where I be really rough with the hair. I tug it, I pull it, because you know I do things with wigs on. So I had to pull through it. No shedding. 0. When I say this wig is full. Now, if you can do this and still not see any net or lace, you know a wig is full. I love really full hair because I just like the bounciness of it. It just gives me life. All I'm going to do to this unit is flat iron it right now. I'm not bleaching. I'm not plucking. I'm not dyeing. I meant it when I said that this wig needed no customization. I really meant it in this video. I'm not even going to apply any makeup. I am simply going to flat iron this hair. What I am going to also do, because I always tell y'all in every hair tutorial, it's a must. You must do this. You cannot skip this step because it just brings your wig to life. I am going to hot comb the hairline. If you don't have a hot comb, sis, go get you a little $20, $30 hot comb. Get you a wax stick. You ain't even got to use a wax stick. You can use your hairspray. I don't use the hairspray because it won't move. That hair, it won't move. But listen, get you a wax stick and get you a hot comb and hot comb that hairline. I promise you it will make all the difference in every unit. Don't skip this step. Because they were so amazing and it already came with the straps pre-sewn inside of the wig, I like to put these straps in because it gives it that extra security. And also, if you want to do glueless, it's super good for that. I'm so excited to see the way this lace is going to look against my scalp, honey. I'm just, ooh, I'm ready for it. When I tell y'all I was in love, whoever plucked this, they meant that. The white that you see around the unit, that's from the wax stick. I didn't melt it all the way in there because I knew I was going to cut the lace off. So that white that you see, that's just from my wax stick. But honey, this, I loved it. The only thing that I will say I did was the widow's peak is very cute. And it looks very cute on some people. Some people ain't me. So I'm going to take that widow's peak off, honey. You see, it's given. but it's not giving what I want it to give. I love when women have widow's peaks. I really think it's cute. I just don't want it. So I'm just going to cut that widow peak section out, and I'm just going to cut that piece off because it's giving me I look dumb. It's giving me real Jasmine, you look dumb with that. So I'm going to cut that section out. After I cut that widow's peak section off, it's not much left to do but to glue this unit down because everything else is done for you. So I'm going to cut that part off, and I'm just going to take some hair glue. I'm going to put it around this. Oh, girl, I'm too in love with this lace. I'm speechless. Do you see how it's giving scalp? And when I mean it, when I told you I didn't even apply makeup, nothing. And look how it's giving my scalp. The reason why I'm so infatuated with this unit, because I really want to be honest and transparent with y'all. There's a lot to consider when you get in a lace front. You got to worry about knots, how big the knots are. Look at that. The knots on this wig is damn near invisible. You got to worry about the lace color, because if that lace is too harsh, it's not going to blend in with your skin. You got to worry about how thick the lace is. If the lace is too thick, it's going to look real nasty. You have to worry about bleaching. You have to worry about plucking. You have to worry about how thick that hairline is. Like, there's really a lot to consider when you're getting a unit. So when I tell y'all, so far, this unit has swept me off my feet with how they paid attention to detail. And I love that, because honestly, us as Black women, we are the people who buy the most wigs. I'm just being honest. And we like our shit to look good. So they listen when we said, listen, we need lace that blend. We need a pre-plucked hairline. We need smaller knots. They paid attention. And what I love too, I did not have to cut off ear tabs. Tell me how nervous you get when it's time to cut off ear tabs. That's the most nervous part, because you like, damn, I'm about to cut my whole ear off, number one, trying to get these tabs to fit. So I did not have to cut any ear tabs. Girl, they definitely paid attention, honey. So now we're just going to get this unit glued on, and while I'm gluing it, I'm going to figure out what I want to do with it. I do know that I'm so in love with it that I don't want to even put no part or nothing in it. I don't know what I want to do to it yet, but let's get it glued on first. FMAK is the squad. Got our mommy going hard. We love our father, we love God. Can't believe we made it this far. We on YouTube going hard. Can't nobody judge us for God. Can't nobody judge us for God. Can't nobody judge us for God. FMAK is the squad. Got our mommy going hard. Love our father, we love God. Can't believe we made it this far. Can't believe we made it this far. Can't believe we made it this far. FMAK squad. FMAK is the squad. Got our mommy going hard. We love our father, we love God. Can't believe we made it this far. We on YouTube going hard. I did decide to put some baby hairs on this unit. When it comes to baby hairs, I'm not the baby hair god. I am not the person that's like super savvy with baby hairs, but I will tell you this, because I done messed up 1,000 times. You could take them away, but you can't get it back, honey. Take your time when cutting baby hairs. Take your time. Trim, 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 and trim until you feel comfortable. When I cut baby hairs, first I position them to see how they gonna look. I'm not good at baby hair, so I'm not the person that could just go in and finesse it and it just come out good. Nope. I position it to where I want it to be at. And when it comes to cutting baby hairs, I cut it long and then I cut it short. Girl, you can't put them baby hairs back once you cut them off. So take your time with it. Now, y'all know these new baby hairs is in, and I'm not going to lie. I like them. I like them. The soft, long baby hairs, you know, the ones that they're doing where they flat iron them and they put minimal product on them and just let them be soft and fluffy. I do love those baby hairs, but what I will tell y'all is if you go get your unit done and your stylist do them that way, just know you're going to have to do a lot of baby hair maintenance because they are small. Because they're soft, they move around and they're not still. So every morning you get up, you might have to fix them up a little bit. So it's up to you. What I did was I kept trimming and trimming and trimming until I got them to my liking. Girl, I'm not the person for the baby hairs, but I did what was best for me, okay? And I'm just going to flat iron the top of this unit. And what I did decide to do, because I'm not a fan of flat hair, I don't know, I love curls. I'm ratchet. I don't have my wand curler. I don't know where it's at, so we're going to say this is a wand curler. It's just as good as a regular curling iron, and all I did was wrap it around. Hey family, so this is the unit, and I literally didn't even get to fluff the curls out. I just put like some loose curls in it with the wand curler. I didn't do any part or nothing because this freaking hairline was so bomb that I said, you know what? I'm just gonna leave it as it is. I want to plan it. Like, I want to be able to flip it from side to side and be like cute with it. So I don't know who, I can't stop touching it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. I don't know who's in charge over there with the lace, but honey, you're the lace god. This is my first time ever having a unit and not having to put no concealer. I did not bleach the knots. I did not pluck it. This is why the process was so fast, because honestly, installs are time consuming. You got to worry about the knots, tinting the lace, plucking, bleaching, styling. It's honestly just too much. This right here came prepared. They was ready. This new clear lace is bomb. I highly recommend. When I tell y'all, it melted into my skin and I did not have to put no makeup on anything. This was genius. I love that it is super black girl friendly, because sometimes you get lace, it be giving off, you know, the brown, the greenish, the grayish. It be giving very much too much lace, and it's very hard to try to tint it or make it match your skin tone. So with the clear lace, it's universal. It doesn't have a color. It melts. It sinks. It is everything. This hair is super, super full. Girl, I'm cute. I like when y'all tell me I'm cute or whatever. I like that. This hair gave me absolutely no shedding. It took to curls amazing. It straightened amazingly. Like, this is it, honey. This is 200% density. It is super thick, super full. If you want, I have a discount code. I'm gonna put my discount. Mouth be wet. It be moist, honey. If you want, I have a discount code. My discount code is directly on the screen below. You can click the link down below. It'll lead you to this exact same unit. You can put in that discount code and you'll get a discount on this unit since you need it, because you fire and you know you want to look this good. This you need in your life. Click the link directly down below. Until next time, family. We'll stick together, we'll love forever.